How to fix the issue where your video files are not showing the thumbnails. So if your video files look something similar to this, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. Now, the first step is just to open up the start menu on your computer. You can then search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and click on this. Now, underneath visual effects, you'll see all of these different options. Make sure to go and check the box next to show thumbnails instead of icons. Make sure this is ticked like so, and then you can press apply and OK. Now, once you've done this, you can head back over to where your videos are saved, and hopefully now you should be able to see the thumbnails. If it's not working, then open up the start menu, search for disk cleanup and click on this tool here. You can then click OK, and then we just need to scroll down to where it says thumbnails and make sure this option is checked. You can then press OK and press delete files. Now, once you've done that, once again, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, the next thing to do is open up the start menu and search for Task Manager and click on this window. In the search box, go and type in Explorer, and you need to right click on the Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Once it's restarted, once again, check if that solves the issue. Now, if you have tried all of the steps so far and you still can't see your video thumbnails, the final thing I'd recommend doing is uninstalling OneDrive from your computer. For some reason, this also causes compatibility issues with your video thumbnails. So if you just go and open up your start menu and click on settings, you can then click on apps in the left hand side and select installed apps. You can then just use the search box to go and search for OneDrive, and then just uninstall the Microsoft OneDrive from here. Once it's uninstalled, you should now be able to see your video thumbnails.